Scene of Raja Raghuvanshi's mother meeting with Sonam's brother. That's Sonam's brother who has now reached the residence of Raja Raghuvanshi, meeting with the mother of Raja Raghuvanshi, the mother who has lost her 29-year-old son, who was married for about only 2 weeks before he was killed on his honeymoon. The mother there, inconsolable, and of course the family there. This is Sonam's family trying to, provide some sort of emotional support at this very trying time. The brother there, has gone to meet with the family. He's meeting with the mother of Raja Raghuvanshi to remember that it is Sonam who is the prime accused in the case. As far as the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi is concerned, it was an arranged marriage from what we are hearing and from what the family is now, in fact, accusing Sonam Raghuvanshi of. Do remember, it's the brother of Raja, the other sons of the mother of Raja Raghuvanshi, who's gone on to, the brothers have gone on to say that the mother was in cahoots, kind of knew of the relationship between Raj and Sonam. It is the mother who had disapproved of the relationship, said the father would never approve, and that he was working in their business. Niharika joining us. Niharika, take us through the visuals. You're joining us from Indore. If you are right outside the residence, if visuals that we can see on our screen right now is that the brother of Sonam Raghuvanshi has reached the residence of Raja Raghuvanshi, meeting with the mother of Raja Raghuvanshi is the brother, and of course, emotions are running high at this point in time.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Here, if we talk about then Govind Raghuvanshi, who is the brother of Sonam Raghuvanshi, has reached suddenly at Raja Raghuvanshi's house. Talking to the media, he said that if my sister is wrong, she should be definitely get punished. Govind Raghuvanshi also hugged Raja's mother and he cried a lot. He said that we all are stunned about the incident. Raja's brother Vipin also said about Govind's sudden arrival at home, and he asked him to come to meet so he can come, and today he came. He also talked to media and told about everything. He was there that nothing could be done about it. So he met there Sonam for only 2 minutes. He could not even ask anything about Raja Raghuvanshi's death. Also, he was very much stunned about the same incident, that he could not even talk to her sister about the same thing. He was very much sad. He was talking to her mother, and he also said that if my sister is wrong, she should definitely get punished.